Today's video is for newbies. Truck steps with a buff.
So,
Get some.
right before I went to lower it, and the Corso came running up and knocked it off the deal. Here we are, we're back. What I was getting at was, you just take your buff for the bottom step, put it like that, so you got a couple inches on the top, and you can just make your passes, or you can go this way, or usually I go this way, and then I come across all the way, and then I come back to the next one, and then kind of go side to side. Then I'll put it straight on eventually. But that's just the gist of it. Like I said, it's not that big of a deal. But I mean, the dogs think it's great, so. But hey, not too shabby. Couple of little marks in there, but we'll get rid of those. Thanks for watching, man.